In this video, I will show you how to use your DSLR camera as a webcam without having the Camlink or any video capture device. Coming up. Hi everyone, I am Harshvardhan. Welcome to harshvardhanart.com. Do you want to use your DSLR camera as a webcam? Are you one of those who don't like the webcam because first it gives the crappy video quality and the second it costs money? And if you already have a DSLR camera, then why use the crappy webcams and spend even more for that crappy quality? So if you are one of those who want to use your DSLR camera as a webcam because of its high quality, then you are on the right spot, because in this video I will show you how you can use your DSLR camera as a webcam and get the high quality live streaming videos. And for this purpose you don't have to buy the Camlink or any other video capture device. I will show you how you can do this with absolutely free resources. And for this purpose, all you have to do, you have to just connect your DSLR camera through a USB cable on your PC and the laptop. And this method works for almost all of the DSLR cameras, but on certain DSLR cameras this may not work. So just give it a try, and even if it doesn't work, that's still okay because you have not invested anything except your efforts. So without further ado, let's get started. But before we go any further, please hit the like button. If you have any question or want to say something, leave that in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing for more amazing tips, tricks and tutorials related to the video editing. So let's get started. For this method to work, what you have to do, you have to first connect your DSLR camera through a USB cable to your PC or the laptop, and thereafter you have to just download this software from the link in the description section below. This software is called DZCam Controlled Virtual Webcam. Just click on the download and then install this software. Thereafter you have to just install it and just open this Digital Cam Control Virtual Webcam, and it would open something like this. And thereafter you need to click on the Start Live View. If your camera is connected, it's going to show it over here, the camera model and name. So in my case it's D51, Nikon D5100, and I will click on the Start Live. So I can even adjust all the settings, aperture and shutter speed, ISO and meter mode, white balance, everything I can adjust from here as well. And then it will show you the battery information. So at this moment I have 20% battery. You can click on the Start Live View and that would show you the preview of your webcam right over here. And thereafter you have to go to your screen recording software. So in this case I'm be using, let's say, OBS Studio. So let me just open it. So OBS Studio is now open. So let me just take a new scene. So let's say this one, and I have to click on this plus icon on the sources. Click on the, go to the sources and click on the plus icon, and then from here I have to click on the video capture device, and you can just rename it as webcam, and thereafter press OK, and that would show you the properties. And from the properties you will see there is a device option. Just click on this and then you will see this DCC virtual camera. Just select this and immediately you will start the preview. You start to see the preview over here, and you can just adjust everything else if you want, but I don't want to adjust anything for this purpose. I will just press the OK, and you can see now the live view is over here, or my webcam live view is now right over here. So what I can do, I can just adjust it, make it smaller, place it anywhere I want, and just use this DSLR camera as a webcam. So now I will show you how you can use this on the ZD Soft screen recorder. This is what I use the most. So for this purpose I will go to the settings. In the general settings, so over here I will see there is an option of webcam. Just will just check this one, webcam, and it will show you the drop down list of available resources. So from here I have to select the DCC virtual camera, and thereafter I can adjust its full view, mirroring, flipping, padding, cropping, stretching, and I can adjust its position, everything. And thereafter I can click on the preview to see the preview. So you can see right now over here you will see the preview of this DCC virtual camera, and I can just make it full view, select the preview, or I can mirror it. Now it mirrors. I can just flip it. I can adjust its position from the top. So in the top it shows the position over here, top right preview, that's over here, and let's say bottom right preview. So bottom right it's over here, and I can choose right preview, so it would be available over here. So this is how you can use your DSLR camera as a webcam without the Camlink or any other video capture device. This can be done with absolutely free resources, and you don't have to invest anything. So I hope you will find this method very useful, and this way you can use your DSLR camera as a webcam and get the high quality live video. So thank you so much. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the like button. If you did not like the video, hit the dislike button. If you have any question or if you want to say something, leave that in the comment section below. And if you are still not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing for more exciting tips, tricks and tutorial related to the video editing. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.